All right, financial math classes. Starting our first unit here. This first unit is all about the different ways you can get paid working a job. So our first lesson is straight time pay. We're going to go over overtime, salary, commission, tips, all the different ways you can get paid working a job. So starting off straight time pay. This is also known as just an hourly rate. So if you're an hourly employee, lots of jobs are hourly employees, retail workers, restaurant workers, babysitters, tons of jobs that are straight time pay or hourly pay. So it's jobs that pay you a fixed rate, which is the hourly rate. Real simple to calculate your straight time pay or your hourly pay. It is your rate, how much you get paid times the hours you work. So real basic math here. Just multiply the hours times how much you get paid. The total amount that you're paid during the pay period is called gross income. All right, so this chapter is all about gross income. So how much money you bring in total. The next chapter we get into net income, and that's how much you earn after taxes and other deductions. And we're going to talk about that next chapter. But right now, it's just how much you're getting paid total, right? So real simple, Ronaldo Scallon is a financial consultant. He earns $30 per hour, works 32.5 hours. What is his straight time pay? $30 per hour times 32.5. Let me do a calculator on that. 30 times 32.5 comes out to 975, rounded 2 decimal places. So he made $975 during that time period. All right, the worksheet that you'll be working on today, all it gives you is the hours worked and the rate. All you need to do again is multiply these. So 15 times $4.15. That's a rough job. I think this worksheet came out decades ago. Hopefully you're not getting paid $4.15 per hour anywhere, but 15 times 4.15, you just multiply those and you get total wages 62.25, right? And then 40 times, so again, just multiply 40 times 3.85 comes out to $154. Real simple. Oh, no, I said 154. So my very first job, I want to say I made $6 an hour. This was back in Colorado, 25 years ago or so, 23 years ago. So $6 an hour. Yeah. So hopefully you're making more money than that. But anyway, next thing we're going to talk about is estimating annual wages. So next part of your assignment today, estimating the annual wages, how much you would make in an entire year. Some things you need to know for this. We're going to estimate based on full-time employment. Full-time employment is considered 40 hours. So we're going to say 40 hours per week for full-time employment. Number of weeks worked in a year. We're going to say, well, there's 52 weeks in a year, but counting holidays and other vacations, we're going to say about on average, you're going to work 50 weeks per year. All right. So the approximate hours worked per year, you just multiply those. 40 hours a week times 50 weeks per year, that comes out to 2,000 hours. So if you're working full time, you're going to work approximately 2,000 hours per year. So we're going to use that 2,000 number to estimate how much you would make in a year. So fast food cook, $6.54. Like I said, that's about how much I made my very first job when I was in high school. $6.54. What you're just going to do is take that 2,000 hours per year, multiply that by that hourly rate. So 2,000 times 6.54, that comes out to $13,080. Again, a cook at an institution. Not sure what that means. But you take that 2,000, multiply it by kind of a weird number for an hourly rate, 838, whatever. That comes out to 16,760. So when you're estimating your annual wages, you're just multiplying by 2,000. That'll do it for today.